HHO Carbon Clean Systems preventative maintenance service is ushering in a new era of performance, reliability, and cost savings for fleet trucks, ag equipment, heavy machinery, and grocery getters alike. Proprietary carbon cleaning machines paired with our mobile service vans allow HHO to restore an engine back to its original state at our customers' convenience without causing dreaded downtime and lost revenue. Dense carbon compounds are a natural byproduct of incomplete combustion, which is represented here in black. It sticks to any and all surfaces they come into contact with, causing friction, lost performance, reduced fuel economy, and potentially critical failure. HHO's preventative maintenance service solves this problem by introducing on-demand hydrogen to the combustion equation. Hydrogen's effect is complete combustion within the cylinder itself, along with releasing highly reactive, hydrogen-rich compounds into the exhaust system. HHO's cleaning effects continue into your turbocharger, where carbon tends to build on the turbines and fins, robbing their designed aerodynamics, rendering variable geometry design useless and eventually requiring replacement. Our hydrogen machines clean these components so horsepower, fuel economy, throttle response, and performance can be reclaimed. DOC, SCR, and diesel particulate filter components are obviously designed for the purpose of treating and filtering compounds in the exhaust. But it is here where HHO's preventative maintenance can have huge effects. These components have a multitude of sensors measuring pressure, saturation, and emissions that can trigger codes, forcing your vehicle into constant regeneration cycles, decreased output, and limp modes. Carbon deposits build up on precious metals, latticework screens, and filters, which prevent proper functionality. Again, HHO solves this problem by safely removing deposits molecule by molecule so they can pass through without the need for taking the part off, cleaning and baking, or replacement. All of these benefits add up to a very straightforward, common sense conclusion that clean engines run better.